Yeah, Mrs. Renfro here. I'm going to show you how to log into your Epic Ed or Schoology account. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to clever.com. You are going to log in with Google. So you'll log in with your school email and password. I already have mine saved, so I'm logging in with my Epic Charter Schools username and password. Once I get in, yours will not have this many apps, but you will go click on Schoology. Again, yours will look different because I am a teacher. All right, so you are going to, whenever you log in, you should see your courses right here. But I am going to pull up your course. So since you are in kindergarten, I'm going to find kindergarten. Again, yours will not be this. You won't have this many. Okay. Apologize. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm going to look at this as you, so you'll see what you would see. Once you click into your language arts, you will have, you'll see it takes you week by week. So you'll have a welcome week. I am actually going to exempt that one because I know that you've probably already covered that. Has several weeks, and you will just work through by week. Now, since we are already technically on week 12, I'm going to go take out the first 12 weeks. So you would be starting with people homes. And you will do the same for math. You'll start on week 12, and then for social studies and science, you will do the whole thing because there are not that many units in science and social studies. It'll walk you through exactly what you need to do. Each of the lessons. So ideally, you'll do one lesson a day in each subject. And then you'll have an exit ticket, and then sometimes you'll be asked to upload a picture or a screenshot of something. Okay, I know that it's not as user-friendly on the iPad, but give it a go, give it a try. I know you can download the Clever app on your iPad and until you get your Chromebook, and see if maybe that will help to make it look a little more user-friendly. All right, I hope you're having a good day. Happy Veterans Day.